Have you ever felt a love-hate relationship with high heels? Admit it, we've all been seduced by their charm, uplifted by their elegance, yet betrayed by their discomfort. High heels, a symbol of style and grace, can sometimes feel like a walk on a bed of nails. But what if I told you there's a way to turn that walk of shame into a stride of pride? Today, we're diving into the world of high heels, not just for women, but also for men who dare to elevate their style literally. Welcome to High Heel Hacks, 5 tips for comfort and style. The problem? We've been conditioned to believe that beauty comes at the price of comfort. Slipping into those sky-high stilettos or elegant pumps means preparing for a day of tiptoeing around pain. This belief has left many of us relegating our beloved high heels to the back of the closet, only to be worn on occasions that demand minimal walking. But why should we compromise? Why can't we have the best of both worlds, style and comfort? Let's stride confidently into the solution. First and foremost, size matters. Ensure you're wearing the correct size. Too tight, and you're in for a world of pain. Too loose, and you're battling stability. Know your foot type and shop accordingly. Next, embrace the magic of insoles and cushioning. Adding these can transform your heels from torture devices into clouds of comfort. Opt for gel insoles or padded inserts specifically designed for high heels. Hack number 3 is all about the distribution of weight. Consider heels with a wider base or platforms. These styles allow for better weight distribution, reducing pressure on the balls of your feet. The 4th tip? Practice makes perfect. Walking in heels is an art form. Start with lower heels and gradually work your way up. Practice walking at home to build your confidence and improve your posture. Lastly, never underestimate the power of breaks and stretches. Give your feet some TLC. Flex your feet, stretch your calves, and wiggle your toes whenever you get a chance. This can significantly reduce discomfort and improve blood circulation. Now, before you go rushing back to your closet to reunite with your long-lost high-heeled loves, remember this: comfort and style are not mutually exclusive. With these 5 hacks, you can elevate your high-heel game without sacrificing your feet's happiness. Are you eager to strut in your high heels without the dread of pain? Have you discovered any life-changing hacks that we missed? Whether you're a seasoned high heel enthusiast or a curious newcomer ready to take the plunge, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.